After you start sending and capturing baseline results, look to optimize or add to the messages further. I encourage you to use similar splits to those I spoke about in the cart abandonment module. Sending or not sending different messages based on purchase history can provide an improved customer shopping experience and can increase the effectiveness of your emails. Carrots is an equestrian apparel brand and Shopify customer that uses product abandonment emails to increase their e-commerce sales. 14% of their automated email revenue comes from these messages, and the revenue per email of their product abandonment messages is 630% greater than their scheduled email campaigns. Their one-woman marketing team can get these messages implemented, and so can you. Your homework for this week is decide on whether a product or browse abandonment strategy makes the most sense for your brand and whether you'll offer a discount in the messages. That's it. When you're ready, start creating your messages. Check out the resources in this section for a helpful browse abandonment checklist that will guide you along the path to increased email marketing sales.